this is Thomas O'Neill here to discuss Wilfred Voynich and his puzzles with the Voynich Manuscript. And we're focusing in on folio 70r2, the goddess Venus entwined in the Taurus horns today. And if you notice, here we are. I don't know why we have this highlighted here, but we'll highlight this. No, we'll highlight this. That is the S reversed, known in the Voynich manuscript. And it's listed a number of times here, several times on this folio. So there's a little bit of emphasis on it. And the eyes, if you, let me blow this up so you can see, we'll focus in on it. If you notice, the eyes are gazing to the east where the sun rises, or yeah, the sun rises. So that's the S. Let's bring it back down. Okay. So we'll focus in on. So this is Venus, and she's entwined in the horns of Taurus, and we'll get to that. And I'll give you a brief showing of it. These are Taurus's horns, and I will show you how that occurs in the folio. So S is for south, according to Wilfred Voynich. So as I was getting a hold of this puzzle, I looked at the south, and then I just happened to click on this word, and then I noticed this is odd. And this, to me, this looked like it was deliberate. And I was wondering, well, if this is deliberate, what does this word mean with my cipher? So you can right-click copy, and if you've been following along, we go into my cipher, clear this out, and you can go to my cipher, Speaking in Tongues, voynichgreatsite.net. You click on it, decode to Latin, and that's octio. That's how my cipher pronounces the tongue of the word. However, rank 8 from Eva Voynich D to rank 8 is an N to octo. So what if we take the N and attach it to the Latin word eo, or the letters, and we put it in here for neo, and get the definition: to spin, to interlace, entwine. And entwine is very interesting for the specific end result of these 5 words of the same spelling, neo. If you hook them up, you get these Taurus horns. So this got to thinking, let me look at an astronomical chart, star chart. So if we go into here, and if we go for the April 30th, which I've been focusing in on, which seems to be now, April 30th is a point, let me blow this up for you. It says Ali ibn Rid.wan observes supernova AD April 30th. And so I think that's where Wilfred Voynich also observed it. And So, so this is quite the puzzle. You look to the south of the eyes at Venus. So Venus is a goddess, love and beauty. So let's look at stellarium web. Stellarium web for April 30th, 1006. And let's put this in here a little bit. And I could blow this up for you if you can't see it that well. We'll focus in on it. And there it is. Once again, here, there's Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, similar in size and mass to Earth. Venus has no liquid water in its atmosphere. And we shall focus in on it. Now, here's Taurus, and here's the horns entwined for Neo around Venus. And what's interesting about this is these are 5 astrological planets: Saturn, Jupiter, Venus, the Sun, and Mercury. And there was 5 instances of Neo for the horns to be entwined around Venus for Neo, the definition. And we have the date for 4:30, 1006, the supernova. Okay. Here's folio 70r2 with the entwined Jupiter, entwined Venus with Taurus horns. Folio 70r2, we have the word Neo for entwine with the N for octo, for octio. This is the word in Voynich glyphs. Okay, thank you very much. I think that is long enough for the video. And I did do Voynich charts, star charts, but there's a lot in there, and I just want this as a separate video. This one I think you'll enjoy, and it really cuts to the chase, and it verifies my cipher, I believe, and this is quite a logical premise for it, for the star charts anyway. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. I'm going to cut out of here. There's my dog Picos. Bye.